Okay, so we're going to take this, what form is this in?
It's in standard form.
Standard form, we're going to put it into factored form.
Her name was Miss Trevorella.
What is the greatest common factor of all three terms?
Yeah, when I talked to grade 9.
Good. Everything can be divided by -2. Jover, what am I left with?
So how come?
X squared
Yep.
minus 12x
Yep.
minus
Plus
24x.
20,
24,
32, not 20. Can this still be factored?
Yes.
Good.
Miss.
Two things that multiply together to give us positive 32, but adds up to a negative. So both factors should be what sign then? Negative. -8, -4. Both of those, when you add them together, give us -12. Okay, now that it's in factored form, well, this is A, right? This is R. And this is S. What do R and S represent? Good.
Zeros.
So what are the two x-intercepts of this relation? +8 and, good, +4. We have this in factored form. Because it's in factored form, I can easily see the x-intercepts. How will that help me get to vertex form? We need to find the axis of symmetry, which is located halfway between the two x-intercepts. So 8 plus 4 divided by 2. What's the axis of symmetry? 6, right? We can't put this into vertex form yet because all we know right now is the x value of the vertex, which is h, right? But we need to find the y value of the vertex. So we can use our standard form that we were given at the beginning. If you know x, can you find y? If you know the x value, can we plug it in and find the y value?
Okay, miss. Explain.
And that y value is the y value of the vertex because we know this is located on the vertex. It doesn't matter which form you plug it into. We have standard form, we have factored form. They both represent the exact same thing, but I'm just going to choose to plug it into standard form. My x value, which is 6, and I want to find the y value. This x value is located on the vertex. So when I find y, that will be my y value of the vertex, right? 6.
Negative 36, 64.
Thank you. -72 plus 144 minus 64. What do you get?
Negative.
Y equals 8. So when x equals 6, y equals 8. But this x value was the axis of symmetry, right?
Yes, miss.
So we know that's the h value of the vertex, and this would be what value of the vertex? Good. Do you know the a value of the vertex?
No.
Remember, the a value is the exact same when it's in standard form, when it's in factored form, and when it's in vertex form. Your a value is the coefficient of x squared when it's in standard form.
How many?
So the a value is -2. Let's look back at factored. Yeah, well, look back at factored form. Look, it's -2, right? It's not whatever you divide it by. It's depends what the coefficient of x squared is when it's in standard form, and it's whatever's in front of your x minus r and x minus s. So now that we have a, h, and k, the question was asking us to put this in vertex form. How would I write this in vertex
Y
form?
equals -2.
Yep. X minus 6, good. Squared. Good, perfect. And that was what the question asked us to get.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.